Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hakabayade bagi Jingïarap Khyndew kebalaja menhenin kamiat kalai tarik jemang arja arpasau hakashnong nong priang hasora nakaliang udisi ke East Khasi Hills USC sadhu ula pentip bakalong kabas ngosi bantip bahaduk saungut kimen simbriu kila do yala kajong kajing em badhaduk menta nakaliang kipudet ke search and rescue team kejala kila yok bansei tang ya arteli kimet yang bad nakaliang kipudet kidang penlong kajing wat benya haduk menta banlap saya kiwi pat kimet ya bala syatap hak Khyndew. Habekran berkilat patai kubur mentakasngi kalai puai tarik jemang arja apesau nakaliang usadhu ulayat hu baka Sorkar kan Jingïarap mar saulak Tyngka Shah ki bahiyeng jong ki Lanot ki balaklan.
Incident in was that for a division. In fact, very unfortunate that 4 people were trapped and so far 2 bodies be recovered by our team and our team from both the fire and emergency services and from Jingïarap and including our teams from subdivision are there at this location and they are trying hard to ensure that because there is a big boulder which caused this landslide to remove it so that other bodies can be recovered. So efforts are still going on.
So any financial assistance?
Yes, in fact, the financial assistance as a part of in the form of ex gratia to the next of kin will be transferred immediately. That is 4 lakhs per victims.
Okay, coming back to the polling preparations, can you tell us in view of the withdrawal of, so what are the additional security measures?
So additional security measures, in fact, in the entire polar area, as you know that which is as per the protocol, law and order has to be maintained. The deployment of CAPF, state police forces will be there to ensure that counting is done peacefully. At the very same time, so as I said, as we had a discussion with the political parties, so we have taken enough measures to ensure that these victory processions should not turn out to be should not lead to any of the untoward incidents. So that kind of measures we have taken by in fact closely working with all stakeholders, including the political parties and traditional institutions and other stakeholders, so that we will ensure that no untoward incident mars our entire election process.
So any undertaking by the parties that if anything happens, they will be like responsible?
Yes, in fact they should. In fact, this is a collective responsibility. As I said, this is a collective responsibility. But we have an assurance from their side that they will take all measures to ensure that their rallies will be peaceful.